Greetings from sunny Seattle. Just kidding, it's not sunny in Seattle. I am Katrina Ferrugia. I am an attorney and litigator, mentor, whatever you want to call it. I'm a lawyer for almost 20 years now. I think we're on about year 18. And I am here to help you build a better law practice law better, and just be a better lawyer. What makes me think I'm capable of doing that? Well, I've helped several attorneys in my day go from being young associate to running their own solo law practice or working in a firm. And I do believe that I have a thorough understanding of what it takes to be a successful attorney. Anyone can be an attorney, anyone can go to school, take the classes, pass the test, and get the bar card. But being a successful attorney is a completely different animal, and being a respected attorney is a completely different animal. I find that young attorneys nowadays do not seem to have appropriate mentorship, and as a result are taking things that should be settled to court. They are argumentative where they should be conciliatory, and they don't, I think, understand the game. And while I recognize that no one likes to think of their law case as a game, it's a game. There's a rule book. It's called the court rules. And there is a referee, aka the judge, who tells you whether or not you're within the confines of the rules. And ultimately, somebody renders a decision as to who won or lost that game. So if you would like to play the game better, if you would like to be more competent, if you would like to be well respected in your field, I'm going to encourage you to like, subscribe, save, whatever the kids are saying these days on YouTube, this channel. I think that I have things with which to impart upon you that will make you a better attorney. I am an attorney in Michigan, so anything I tell you is going to be geared toward Michigan law. I'm sworn in federal court in my, circuit. I also am sworn in the Supreme Court of these here United States of America. But I practice law in Michigan, and everything I do or deal with will be Michigan law. I am not your lawyer. I am a lawyer. I am not giving you legal advice. This channel is purely for entertainment, blah, blah, blah. Insert disclaimer here. If you're interested in what I have to say, join me. I think I do have things that are useful in helping you avoid pitfalls of litigation practice and transactional practice, whatever kind of practice you might be in. I happen to have experience in many different fields. When I started, my mentor was a little bit of a jack of all trades. Once upon a time, we used to have general practitioners, and so I learned a lot about a lot. I can go from a landlord-tenant matter to a divorce matter. And once upon a time, I actually successfully defended a class action lawsuit. So it really, I'm not an advocate of spreading yourself thin and practicing in a lot of different areas. I do think it's useful to know things in a lot of different areas of law because there's some crossover. If you're a family law attorney and you don't understand contract principles, you've got a problem on your hands. So I am here to help you better understand what you don't know, and hopefully give you some advice and help one of those things you don't know become a little more familiar for you and less daunting. A little more about me. I'm sure you're probably bored already, but what the hell? I'm going to talk for 5 minutes. It's only been 4 minutes and 8 seconds. So I am on the state of Michigan, the technology committee for the family law section. I am State Bar of Michigan, part of the Representative Assembly. We make court rules and help the practice of law just run a little smoother. I am a member and on the executive board for Inns of Court in Oakland County, Michigan. It's a neat little chapter of extracurricular activity where you present interesting legal topics to your peers. It's also paired with judges, kind of a cool thing to do. What else do? I am part of the Italian American Bar Association. I am appointed to the State Bar of Michigan Court Rules Committee, we make the civil rules. Oh, 5 minutes and 2 seconds. I gotta go. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll tell you more about myself in the next video. See you then.